Welcome to CJ Why Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, welcome. I like to open up unique and reasonable things and stuff. And things. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today, I decided to show you something that I think everybody could get ahead and use. I purchased this at my local Aldi store. However, they do sell them in Amazon, Walmart, and I wanted to try it out to see if it really works. I was raised with a regular old shopping cart, and I'll show you that somewhere. And it helps you to take stuff in and out your car, and to bring them home or to the laundromat or whatever. These things are now called extended folding utility carts, and this is what it is. It looks like almost like a milk crate. This one holds 77 pounds. I'm gonna do it up close. So, what do you see? Okay, these are the wheels. They have a little rubber. You always want the rubber. If you're gonna get one of these, you want rubber wheels. You don't want the hard plastic, because then if it cracks, then you're out. It has two clamps on both sides to open it up. Opens up as a cart. Right here's the release handle to expand up, and then it opens up. Okay, you lift this right here, and this is your floor. Okay, these right here is the sleeves that you need to pop out, and once you pop these out, they'll go on the sides over here. So pop these out here, and they just snap out both sides. Okay, and then there, show you what these go. With the outside part, you put it in, you line it up on the sides, and it snaps in. And this way, the sides can't close. And the only problem I see with this, there's no lock mechanism to lock this in. So if you turn it upside down, the bottom comes back up. That's one thing I don't like about it. But if you don't turn it upside down and you keep it down, it's in place. When you lift by the hole on the side. Don't ever lift by the handle. You hold it this way. The handle is just to roll.